In Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power, Law 37 emphasizes the importance of crafting compelling spectacles to solidify your presence and influence. This law goes beyond simple appearances, advocating for the strategic use of visuals, symbols, and grand gestures to impress and manipulate the masses. The power of spectacles. Spectacles are more than just elaborate displays. They are meticulously orchestrated events designed to provoke powerful emotions, engage the senses, and imprint a lasting image in the minds of the audience. By leveraging the human tendency to be captivated by the extraordinary, spectacles can elevate your status, inspire loyalty, and even intimidate potential adversaries. Here are the key principles behind the 37th Law of Power. 1. Capture the imagination. Compelling spectacles are not mere visual feasts. They tap into the deepest desires, fears, and aspirations of the audience. A well-crafted spectacle ignites the imagination, transporting viewers to a world beyond the ordinary and leaving them with a sense of wonder and awe. 2. Utilize the power of symbols. Symbols are powerful tools for conveying meaning and establishing authority. From regal attire and grand gestures to strategically chosen colors and objects, every element within a spectacle should be imbued with symbolic significance. This reinforces your desired image and reinforces your position of power. 3. Master the art of storytelling. A spectacle is not just a visual spectacle, it is a narrative. The events unfold in a carefully crafted sequence, evoking emotions and building anticipation. By incorporating a compelling story arc, you draw viewers into the spectacle and leave them wanting more. 4. Be creative and unconventional. The most effective spectacles are those that surprise and delight. Don't be afraid to break away from the mundane and experiment with unique and unexpected elements. This element of surprise will capture the audience's attention and make your spectacle truly memorable. 5. Appeal to the senses. A truly powerful spectacle engages all the senses. The sights, sounds, smells, and even the tactile experiences contribute to the overall impact. By immersing the audience in a multi-sensory experience, you create a lasting impression that goes beyond mere visual memory. Examples of compelling spectacles. Throughout history, powerful individuals have utilized the 37th Law of Power to their advantage. Some iconic examples include Napoleon Bonaparte's coronation ceremony. This grand event, meticulously planned to emphasize Napoleon's authority and legitimacy, cemented his image as a powerful leader. Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech. This powerful oratory not only captivated the audience but also served as a powerful symbol of the civil rights movement, inspiring millions and solidifying King's position as a leading figure. Queen Elizabeth II's coronation. This lavish ceremony, steeped in tradition and symbolism, reinforced the monarchy's authority and position in British society. Steve Jobs' product launches. Apple's product launches were not simply demonstrations of new technology, they were carefully crafted spectacles designed to create excitement and anticipation, solidifying Apple's position as a leader in innovation. The spiritual dimension of Law 37. While the 37th Law of Power focuses on achieving worldly power, it can also be applied to achieve spiritual growth and connection. By creating compelling inner spectacles, through meditation, prayer, and reflection, we can cultivate powerful emotions and deepen our connection to the divine. Just as outward spectacles engage the senses, inner spectacles engage the mind and spirit. By focusing on the beauty of nature, the power of love, and the vastness of the universe, we can create a sense of awe and wonder that transcends the limitations of the physical world. Conclusion. The 37th Law of Power reminds us that perception plays a crucial role in the pursuit of power. By creating compelling spectacles, we can elevate our status, inspire others, and achieve our desired goals. However, it is important to remember that true power lies not just in outward appearances, but also in the inner strength and integrity we cultivate. By aligning our external actions with our inner values, we can create a lasting impact that goes beyond mere appearances.